Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. We have been reporting on the high-profile double unaliving case styled as State of California versus Nick Reiner. As we previously reported to you, Nick Reiner is the son of the late Hollywood director and actor Rob Reiner and his wife, Hollywood producer and photographer Michelle Singer Reiner, both of whom were found brutally unalived in the family home located in the exclusive Brentwood section of Los Angeles back in December of 2025. Shortly thereafter, Nick Reiner, one of the couple's 3 children, was apprehended, arrested, and he has been detained in a jail in California, having been charged with 2 counts of unaliving of his parents with special circumstances. Mr. Reiner previously pled not guilty in open court to these charges, and he was due back in court yesterday, Wednesday, April 29th, 2026, as the matter is going closer to jury trial. Mr. Reiner appeared in court before Los Angeles County Superior Court Judge Sam Oda with his court-appointed public defender, Kimberly Green. Attorney Green, during the proceeding, asked that the court adjourn the preliminary hearing to a later date on the grounds that she is still awaiting evidence to be turned over to the defense by the prosecutors. Mr. Reiner himself spoke very little during the proceedings. One of the times that he did was after the judge asked Mr. Reiner whether he understood why his preliminary hearing was being adjourned, to which Mr. Reiner answered in the affirmative. Judge Oda has set the date of September 15th, 2026, for Mr. Reiner to appear in court again. And at some point, the court is going to have to make a determination as to whether there is sufficient evidence to bind Mr. Reiner over for trial and to stand trial in an open and public courtroom before a jury of his peers, as the Constitution requires. The Constitution also requires that at every point during these proceedings that Mr. Reiner is cloaked with the presumption of innocence, and that it will be up to the prosecutors to produce evidence within the court of law demonstrating that Mr. Reiner is guilty of these crimes beyond a reasonable doubt. And that will be the burden of proof, of evidence brought forward at any future trial date. The preliminary hearing, the court's obligation would be to see if there is probable cause to bind him over for trial. We will continue to keep you posted as further developments arise. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.